Hello, my name's Paul Clews. I'm the Anatomy and Technical Services Manager for the Faculty of Medicine and Health Sciences here at Keele University. This, where we're standing at the moment, is the surgical training suite within the David Weatherall building. We got a new project going and we wanted some screens putting in. So we contacted Raybloc and the team there, and they came out with a design for us which would suit our needs for the surgical training which we're carrying out in this room. Delivered today. Very, very pleased with what the team have produced for us. It's exactly what we wanted for the room, and I'm sure it'll serve the purpose exactly what we wanted and what the radiographer and the radiation protection advisor quoted for. We use a lot of radiation. We use a lot of X-ray in this department, and it's good that we've got a piece of equipment now which we can utilise in different courses which we run in this facility.